What's up guys, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson I'm going to show you another way by which you can use slash chords to create unique sounds in your chord progressions. In this lesson I am going to show you how you can create a bass line that walks up in an ascending way by using slash chords. So for example, if you are playing within a particular major key and you're moving from the 1 chord to the 4 chord, so for example, let's say that you're playing in the key of C major, so the 1 chord is this and the 4 chord is this. If you're moving from the 1 chord to the 4 chord, you can just move from the 1 chord to the 4 chord normally, so like this. But in order to make that chord progression more interesting, what you can do is this. With your right hand, play the first inversion of the 1 chord. And then what we're going to do with the left hand is, as we're playing the 1 chord in its first inversion with our right hand, we are going to play the first note of the major scale, that is the major key that we're playing within, and then we're going to play the second note of that same major scale, and then we're going to play the third note of that same major scale, and then we are going to play the 4 chord. So what we're going to do is like a walk up to the 4 chord. So we're going to do this. Can you see that? I'll play that again. Listen again. So let's play the chord progression again, and you're going to see that it's going to sound different. Listen. So the slash chords that we used helps us to create that strong bass line that goes like this. You see what I mean? So listen again. Can you see that? Can you see that that sounds different to just going like this? You see what I mean? The key thing to take away from this lesson is that you can use slash chords to create a bass line that walks up to the chord that you're going to, that is to the target chord. So if you're moving from 1 chord to another chord, you can use slash chords to create a bass line that walks up to that chord that you're going to. So your bass line might be a bass line that moves in all steps, and it is also possible for your bass line to be a bass line that moves in half steps, and it is also possible for your bass line to be a bass line that moves in different intervals. So yeah, so that is another way by which you can use slash chords to create unique sounds in your chord progressions. That's it for this lesson, guys. Thank you for watching.